seated inner thigh raises. So once again, looking at your posture from a seated position, rib cage in, pubic bone aiming straight line down, shoulder blades back and down, anchoring in your right leg, turning your left leg out. And think about if I had a rope from the inside of my knee, how it would look like to lift the leg. Now notice that my spine is not changing. And that here is the most important part. Because if you feel like you're trying to lift your leg up and you're moving your back, then all of a sudden we take our body out of alignment and then we are in jeopardy of injury. So here you're sitting up tall, pubic bone aiming straight line down and pulling in from the inner thigh. Now let's just say you don't have the flexibility to sit up. You're round here. Well, you can roll up a mat or a towel and anchor your hips up on top of something, maybe an inch, maybe 2 inches, in order to give you the ability to sit up perfectly tall, pull the knee in, inner thigh out, and lift. Let's do the other leg. So knee comes in, leg out, and lift and lower without changing what's going on through your spine. So your chest is always up, shoulder blades are back and down, rib cage is in, and your pelvis is aiming straight down. One more. And that was an inner thigh lift.